Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you will get to know all this above content. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a craft work. That is how to make a heart using a paper. You can see how I make that. For that, you need to have any kind of rectangular paper of your own size. Now make that paper into equally off. Make a division. Fold to equal half size. After that, take a scissor and cut according to the heart shape. Just go slowly by taking a curve of heart shape as shown above. Now at last, by taking it to a heart shape, just go straight towards the end and cut at the edges, and exactly you can find equally off. If you want to do some alteration, then slightly cut at the edges to get a perfect heart shape look. It's very easy. It just depends on how you cut this paper, and you can use for decoration purpose. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll come with my next content soon. And thank you guys.